Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community for more amazing content. Today, we're taking a look at an innovative product that will change the way you think about home security. The site secret light bulb home diversion stash can hiding private money, box secret, hidden storage bulb compartment safe container. That's a mouthful, but trust me, it's worth it. Are you tired of worrying about where to hide your valuables? With this hidden safe, you can now keep your precious items in plain sight, giving you added peace of mind. Whether it's extra cash, keys, jewelry, passports, or any small valuables, this bulb safe has got you covered. But what sets this product apart is its realistic look and easy installation. Made of high-quality plastic and designed to blend seamlessly into any environment, you can trust that your belongings will be safe and secure. So, whether it's for your home, office, or even when you're on the go, this bulb safe is the perfect solution for discreetly storing your most important items. And the best part? It's available for purchase right now. Just check the link in the description to get your hands on this game-changing product. Thank you for your support and for joining us today. We guarantee the quality of our products so you can shop with confidence. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.